Five, six, seven, eight.
New Year, this is Jin.
And I'm Diane. So today we will talk about our realizations, insights, and the things that we're thankful for 2020 as we greet the new year. The first thing that I want to talk about are the big changes that we experience. What about you?
Cannot go around, so we stay home more time than before. We used to order food. We don't really go to cafe. We just order coffee even. And most of the thing for me is I cannot travel. Especially I cannot go to Philippines too.
Yeah. That's the one big change for me. I can't see my family because every Christmas we used to go to the Philippines to visit, and
Right.
that's where we always celebrate Christmas until New Year.
Mm.
So I really miss my family and friends. I hope things will get better soon so we
Yeah,
can visit.
I hope so.
Then another change for us is because of COVID-19, we are changing the direction of some of the things in our company. Like we started our YouTube channel.
Yeah, we started since like last March, and eventually we got a J Creator program from like JTV, the local TV station, and we applied their program and we made video contents. So we are going to do something new on 2021. It's kind of amazing that we got an opportunity because of COVID-19.
I want to talk about things that we are thankful for the past year. I mean, I know a lot of people feel kind of negative because 2020 there's really a lot of bad things that have happened, but I want to keep it positive.
Work at home is still good for me.
So 2020 is done, and 2021 is a chance for us to make things right
Yes.
and accept new challenges. For today's video, we actually want to show you our little New Year celebration. I actually went to an art cafe with a friend. You will get to see just how unique we celebrated New Year in our own little special way.
오늘 뭐 코로나 때문에 힘들고 막 그랬는데 어쨌든 내년에는 밖에 맘대로 돌아다니고 재밌게 일도 하고 좋은 한 해가 되기를 바랍니다. 짠!
Five, six, seven, eight. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in your corduroy. Drive me round the block, we can go in a loop, and we'll turn the vibe up on some good boy band tunes. I feel the fresh air, I can Roll the windows down, let the bass drop low. Everybody's talking, but I don't wanna know. Feel the fresh air, I can feel your eyes staring. I'm not gonna lie, I get a little bit scared. My heart is on wings and living in dreams, and at the top of our lungs we sing. Everything is perfect. All our words were worth it. Dancing around like a clown at the circus.
Oh, it was good.
Yeah. You should come next time.
Yeah, I will.
We will do some painting together.
Let's do it. I hope everyone who is watching our video are happy and healthier for the next year.
Of course, 2020 will not magically go away. We still have to face how to remedy the problems of the past, but with new and fresh energy. And I hope that we will all stay positive and self-motivated and active this 2021. If you like our video, please
Like
click
and
the like button and subscribe.
okay.
Bye!
Bye bye.